Hey guys, my name is Samira Syed, and I'm currently pursuing my BE from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. My USN is 1VE23CS150. Today, let's look into the presentation of a mini project, Online School Management. Let's first jump into an introduction. So, online school management systems streamline administrative tasks for education institutions. These systems facilitate communication between teachers, students, and parents in an efficient manner. Understanding the components of online school management is crucial for successful implementation. Key features of online school management systems. So, online school management systems typically include tools for attendance tracking and grade management. They often feature communication portals for real-time updates between educators and families, keeping communication easy. Data analytic tools help schools access performance trends and improve educational outcomes. Benefits of online school management systems. Online systems reduce paperwork and manual processes, enhancing overall efficiency. They provide a centralized platform for accessing information, improving accessibility for all stakeholders. The use of technology in education fosters engagement and interactive learning experiences. Choosing the right online school management system. Factors to consider include user friendliness, customization of options, and technical support availability. Budget constraints should also guide the selection process to ensure sustainability. Evaluating, reviewing, and testimonials from other education institutions can provide valuable insights. Implementation strategies, a phased approach to implementation, helps minimize disruptions and allows for gradual adaptation. Training sessions for staff, students, and parents are essential to maximize system effectiveness. Continuous feedback should be collected to address issues and improve the system over time. Integration with existing tools. Online school systems should seamlessly integrate with existing software tools being used without adding to difficulty of buying extra materials or learning extra technologies. Compatibility with learning management system, LMS, enhances the overall education experience. Proper integration can lead to improved data accuracy and reduce redundancy in administrative tasks. Security and privacy considerations. Protecting sensitive student information is a top priority for online school management systems. Systems should comply with educational regulations such as FERPA and GDPR to ensure data security. Regular updates and audits are necessary to maintain robust security measures. Enhancing parent and student engagement. Online platforms can facilitate parent-teacher communication through messaging and scheduling features. Student portals allow learners to track their progress and access resources conveniently. So a student might not need to go to the teacher again and again for updates, and he can directly have access to his progress reports. And then engaging parent in the child's education leads to improved student performance and satisfaction. Challenges in online school management. Resistance to change from staff and stakeholders can hinder the adoption of new systems. Technical issues such as system downtime, user errors can disrupt the learning processes, which is a really big issue and needs to be taken care of very carefully. Ensuring equitable access to technology for all students is critical to prevent disparities. Now let's look into an example code implementation. So in this code, we're first importing necessary libraries for GUI components and event handling. Import Java X.Swing, and then import Java AWT.event. Then we have a main class for the login page, public class login, public static void main, string arguments. Then we create a JFrame to hold the login form. The JFrame frame is equal to new frame login page. Then we create labels, text fields, and buttons for the login form. So we have JLabel, user label is equals to new JLabel. Similarly, J text field, user field is equals to new J text field. Then we have a label for password field for secure input. Then we have a login button for user authentication. Then we set the position and size of each component on the F frame. User label dot set bound 30, 30, 80, 25, and then user field set bound 120, 30, 150, 25. These are the parameters for each of those. Then we have a pass label dot set bound again and pass field dot set bound again with its parameters. Then we have a login button set bound again with its parameters 120, 110, 80, and 25. Then we add all the components to the frame. Frame.add user label, frame.add user field, frame.add pass label, frame.add pass field, frame.add login button. Then we set the frame properties, size, layout, and visibility. Frame.set size with parameters 350 and 200. We set the size of the window. Then we set layout to null for manual positioning. Frame.set visible null, and then we make the frame visible. Frame.set visible true. Frame.set default close operation JFrame exit on close. This function closes the operation. Then we add action listener to the login button to handle the login logic. Logic button dot add action listener, new action listener, open brackets, public void action performed, action event E. Then we get the input from the user about the text field. So string user is equal to user field dot get text. String pass is equal to new string pass field dot get password. Then we check if the credentials are correct. If user dot equals admin and pass equals 1234, option pane dot show message dialog null login successful. If the password is correct and if the user has been registered, the user gets a success message after the login. Otherwise, it prints invalid credentials. Thank you.